Hey guys, it's Casey, and today we're gonna do this video called Casey's DIY. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this really cute cupcake, uneven cupcake squishy, which is like one of my own ideas. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with making this cupcake squishy. So I'm just gonna film it like here like this. So this is the cupcake squishy. So what you're gonna need for this is a stress ball. Oh my god, it's gonna fall. You're gonna need a stress ball, a recycled paper. What? You see, I'm making a video. So I got this recycled paper, which is like a matte piece of paper. We're going to show my friend, and of course you're gonna need a paintbrush. So mine is this green paintbrush, not very big. And some paints of your choices. You can use acrylic paint, I think. Yeah. So yeah. First, you're going to get your the stress ball, of course. Your scissors. Yeah, you're gonna cut a little bit. Smile now, please. Smile now. Smile now, please. So here, it's gonna like peel. So you get a really 2-piece. Hey guys, this is really mine. Oh my god, it's like this.
No. My one is not as old as that.
So I got this. I'm just gonna choose a better one. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. So I'm just gonna make it like evenly. Even. So yeah, this is the one. Even. So now we're just gonna peel this whatever you call it thing off. So yeah, I'm just gonna peel the ball skin out. So they will turn amazing. Why?
Do you understand from our comment? The Indian guy say, if you cannot say, just say you cannot say. No,
You see, the swimming trunk is too big.
The meaning is.
I know.
If you don't say that, if you don't smoke, then don't force other people to don't smoke. They get it?
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm finishing. Oh my god, it's okay, I'm almost done, guys. So it doesn't take you long, you know. It's kind of fun. Peel. And voila, I'm done. So I got this part. So now at the bottom, we're just gonna like cut it smaller type of thing. We're just gonna like trim it, start off, then trim it. So it goes smaller. So there we got it, like something like that. Underneath is a really small part at the bottom. Because cupcake, guys, cupcake, and uneven cupcake. It's gonna be weird, guys. It'll be weird. I haven't decorated the cupcake yet, so yeah. So here is my cupcake. Now I'm just gonna throw the rubbish. Ooh. So I got this tin where I put all my rubbish inside so that I can throw it later. So I'm just gonna do right now, guys. Hey, my god. It jumped out. Seriously, oh my god. Okay. It's kind of stretchy, you know. I got the red one as well because I just made it the red one. Oh yeah. I got my stress ball at my school bookshop for like $1. It's so cheap. Just kidding. So now we're just gonna choose the base color for a cupcake. This looks like curatorial. So not really, so yeah. For this one I'm gonna use orange for my base color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the cup and just gonna take my brush and, you know, paint that part. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna paint the part where you like trimmed. So yeah. Trim it. So now you're just gonna keep painting until you get everything. Yeah. Only paint the part at the bottom. So yeah, you know, get the part at the bottom. So I have like painted my bottom part. So now I'm just gonna cap this, and I'm gonna get my color that I'm gonna use.
It's like you won't.
So I'm just gonna use yellow right now. So again, take out the cover. You good here, Daisy. So I'm gonna get the paint and I'm gonna like paint the top part. So you know, guys, you know, paint everything now. Okay, so now that I have like painted everything, so you can like leave it for 24 hours like tomorrow. We're gonna continue. Or you could just use a hairdryer. So I'm gonna like film tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow, guys. Hey guys, it's the next day. Woo! Well, it's not really the next day, but I just like, you know, I did like, you know, yeah. So here is the squishy. I took it out of it already and squish. It's pretty hard, but it's like squishier than before. So I got the other one, and here's like really hard, like really hard, and now I can like squish it like this and this. What? Look at the difference, guys. Yeah, I just painted this part so like a bit weird. So yeah, I do not really like this one. So yeah, so here it is. The, you know, the, what do you call it? The first thing. Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty sure the other squishy. Okay, so here's I decorated it. So I'm really bad at decorating it. But yeah, I'm just gonna use the cream. So how do we use the cream? So first you will need potato. Well, I'm just gonna use the latest thing called, not really latest, but I'm gonna use Da Vinci. I got this Da Vinci thing. So yeah, I'm just going to like spread a little bit on top. Of the Da Vinci, and use your hand to like so-called scrape it. So just gonna like scrape it until you see like white marks started like sticking onto the squishy. So yeah, I got that. So here's your hand. So the squishy should look like just like this, like the cream on it, which is really cute. I really like it. And don't put anything more on top, because the one I had was ratchet, but the squishy was really nice. It's just that the decorating was sucking. Freaking shucks. This one's not really nice as the one before, but it's also kind of cute. I like this one better right now. So. See the difference, guys? Here's the back. It looks ratchet, I know. So here's the first grand squeegee. really with hard and some wetness there. Here's the dried one, just the new one, which is really adorable. I really like this as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.